What up everyone, this is Motors, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error that you may be getting that says your Windows 7 system is too outdated, please install the latest version, right? So let's get right into this. So the error is, it should be a simple fix in the sense that you just need to install the specific update that you're seeing over here on this screen. I will leave a link on this in the description below. Once you are in this specific page, you just need to install this update for your Windows 7 device. You just need to make sure you get the right one, so you need to know basically which Windows you have, whether it's Windows 7, the standard version, the enterprise version, all of these different ones. Or if you want, you can play around with all of them and try whichever one. But basically, you just need to install, like I said, the right Windows update. Once you do that, you download it, install the thing. You can then turn Roblox back on. You should be good to go, and you will not basically get this error persist any longer. You will be able to play Roblox. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. On that, Mo Tutorials out. Peace.